In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export video from CapCut to Gallery. Once you've finished editing your video and you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, keep your project open in the CapCut editor. Don't close anything yet. Look towards the top bar of the screen and focus on the right-hand side. Here, you'll see an option labeled Export. This is the button you'll use to turn your project into a finished video file. Click on Export and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, choose Download. As soon as you do that, the drop-down area will refresh and you'll see several fields where you can adjust your download settings. These settings control exactly how your final video will be saved to your computer, and they're worth taking a moment to set up properly. First, you'll see a field for the file name. Click on it and edit the name to something clear and memorable, so you can easily find it later in your gallery or file manager. For example, you might include the project topic and the date. Next, look for the resolution option. Here you can choose anything from 360p up to 1080p. In simple terms, a higher resolution like 1080p will look sharper and more detailed, especially on larger screens, but it will also create a larger file size. A lower resolution like 360p will save space and upload faster, but the image won't be as crisp. Pick the resolution that best matches how and where you plan to share the video. Below that, you'll find the quality setting. You can usually choose between high quality, recommended quality, or fast exporting. High quality gives you the best visual result but may take longer to export. Fast exporting is quicker and creates a smaller file, which is useful if you're in a hurry. Recommended quality is a good balanced option for most situations. You'll also see a frame rate setting. Here you can choose from 30 frames per second up to 60 frames per second. A higher frame rate like 60 FPS makes motion look smoother, which is great for action or gaming content, while 30 FPS is standard and works well for most videos. Finally, choose your format. CapCut lets you pick either MP4 or MOV. MP4 is the most widely supported format and is usually the safest choice, especially if you'll upload or share the video online. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, click the Export button. CapCut will start processing and then download the file, saving your finished video directly to your computer. From there, you can move it to your gallery or any folder you like, and that's it. You've successfully exported your video from CapCut to your gallery.